Are you tired of struggling with inconsistent cooking results when it comes to grains and rice? Say goodbye to undercooked or mushy grains and hello to perfectly cooked every time with the Nutribullet Everygrain Cooker. In this review, we'll delve into why this versatile cooker is a game changer for your kitchen, how its features make cooking grains effortless, and why it's a must-have appliance for every home cook. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Effortless cooking with precision presets. Gone are the days of guessing water to grain ratios and cooking times. The Nutribullet Everygrain Cooker features preset programs for brown rice, white rice, oats, quinoa, and grains, ensuring that every grain is cooked to perfection with just the touch of a button. Whether you're in the mood for fluffy white rice or hearty quinoa, this cooker has you covered. Versatile cooking options. Not just limited to grains, the EveryGrain Cooker also boasts a steam program for cooking vegetables, fish, and more. The included steaming basket allows for simultaneous cooking, so you can prepare a complete meal with ease. From rice to veggies, this cooker is your all-in-one kitchen companion. Generous capacity for family meals. With a 10-cup cooking pot, the EveryGrain Cooker can accommodate up to 5 dry scoops of rice or grains at a time, making it perfect for feeding the whole family or meal prepping for the week ahead. Plus, the non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup, so you can spend less time scrubbing pots and more time enjoying your meals. Durable construction for long-lasting use. Built to last, the EveryGrain Cooker is made from durable plastic with a non-stick coated, FOA-free cooking pot. All accessories are also made from durable, dishwasher-safe plastic, ensuring hassle-free maintenance and longevity. With its compact design, this cooker fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Easy to clean and maintain. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Nutribullet Everygrain Cooker. Simply wipe down the cooker base with a damp cloth and wash the accessories with warm, soapy water. All parts are dishwasher safe except for the non-stick cooking pot, ensuring effortless cleanup after every use. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Nutribullet Everygrain Cooker is a must-have appliance for any kitchen. With its precision presets, versatile cooking options, generous capacity, durable construction, and easy maintenance, it simplifies the cooking process and delivers perfect results every time. Say goodbye to kitchen guesswork and hello to delicious, hassle-free meals with the Nutribullet Everygrain Cooker. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.